right now, and we're going to Germany. Guys, now we're at the airport, and it's so cool. So, yeah. We're at the airport! So, yeah, here's the airport and stuff. So, yeah. Hi, guys. Look, we're at the airport, and there's the airplane that we're taking. Yay! Hello, guys. We're now at Amsterdam in the Netherlands. So yeah, we finally landed, and yeah, I'll see you outside so we can finally film our adventure. So yeah. On the airplane, actually on it. So, yeah, want to look out the window? Here it is. I'll show you soon when it's flying, actually, like really flying. So, yeah, bye. Hi, guys, we're at Germany. And, yeah. So, here we are. We're at the Germany school. See, look. School. Yay! Look, there's the electricity tower. Look how cool it looks. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, look, Charlie. This is the outside of the castle. It's really cool. Look at the little town down there. I'm pretty sure that's a city. Oh, and there's a little lake down there too. Let's explore more of the castle. Yeah, let's go.
War am Anfang sogar so, dass nur auf 16 Grad geheizt werden konnte. Das ist sehr kalt. Und da konnte man dann wenigstens in der Haus weggehen. Dann gehe ich mal kurz auf den Weg, ich kann Fotos machen. Wenn Sie wollen, also. Nicht, dass ich da irgendwo geht.
Yeah, it's so cool.